Hello, today we will guide you through how to redeem CoinMarketCap Diamonds. To begin, open your browser and go to the CoinMarketCap website. Once the homepage loads, take a moment to make sure you are on the main site and that everything has finished loading properly. This helps avoid missing menu options or clicking the wrong area if the page is still refreshing. Next, look toward the top navigation area and click on More. This menu usually contains extra tools, features, and sections that are not shown directly on the main navigation bar. If you are using a smaller screen, the layout may look a little different, so just look carefully for the More option before moving on. After opening that menu, hover your cursor over Products. Hovering is important here because it reveals another submenu with additional options. If nothing appears right away, move your mouse slowly over the label and give it a second. On some devices, especially touchscreens, you may need to tap instead of hover to open the same menu. When the submenu appears, click on Diamond Rewards. This will take you to the CoinMarketCap Rewards section, where you can manage and use the diamonds tied to your account. This area is where CoinMarketCap typically organizes reward-related features, so it is the right place to continue if you want to redeem or collect diamonds. Once you are on the rewards page, click on My Diamonds. This section shows information related to your diamond balance and any available actions connected to it. If the page takes a moment to load, wait until the buttons and account details are visible before clicking anything else. From there, click Collect Diamonds. This is the action that allows you to claim the diamonds available to you. Be sure to click carefully and wait for the page to respond. In some cases, you may see a visual confirmation, an updated balance, or a small delay while the claim is processed. If you do not see an immediate change, give it a few seconds and check your diamond total again. And that's it. By going to CoinMarketCap, opening More, hovering over Products, selecting Diamond Rewards, opening My Diamonds, and then clicking Collect Diamonds, you can complete the process smoothly. If something does not appear exactly as described, it may be due to an updated site layout, but the general path should remain very similar.